Unusual cleaning hacks using common household items. Welcome to FastKlean channel. Check out our videos below for tips on how to make cleaning fun and less intimidating. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share button. Did you know that nail polish removers have serve another purpose aside from what its name suggests? Onion, grapefruit, and even Vaseline can be used to clean your home, too. Find out how. Nail polish remover. You can use your nail polish remover on other things and not just your nails. It is a multitasking product that can do various tasks around your house. Acetone-based nail polish removers is an effective cleaner for your china teacups. It can also be used for stain removal. Simply saturate a pad with nail polish remover and rub the stain marks gently. Use a cloth to wipe away any residue. Another excellent use for nail polish remover is for sanitizing your expensive razor blades. You can also wipe down your patent shoes with a towel that is wet with nail polish remover. Remove scuff marks by buffing it gently and use a clean cloth to wipe away residues. If your watch has a few scratches, drop a small amount of nail polish remover onto a cloth and buff the surface of your watch gently. You will begin to notice that the small scratches have disappeared. White bread. Instead of throwing away old white bread, you can use it for cleaning around your home. Whether it is fresh or stale, white bread is useful for a lot of the everyday household chores. You can use it to dust oil paintings, since white bread is good at picking up small particles of dirt, dust, and grease. You can also use it to pick up broken glass, especially the tiny shards. If you like our video so far, press the like button to let us know. Grapefruit. Grapefruit is a great natural cleaning option if you want to keep your house looking clean and smelling nice at the same time. Cut the grapefruit in half. Take one half and place it in a microwave-safe bowl. Fill it with water and then heat it up for 3 minutes in a high setting. It produces steam that can soften any gunk, which will make it easier for you to remove. Plus, it leaves a pleasant odor, which can neutralize the odd smells inside your microwave. Instead of throwing grapefruit rinds in the bin, you can pulse them through the garbage disposal. Doing so will help deodorize the drain. Vaseline. Vaseline is almost always found in every bathroom cabinet. However, it can be used for other purposes. It can act as a wood polish when you apply it to your wooden furniture. You can also apply a tiny amount to a clean cloth and then rub it on leather couches for additional protection. Onion. Onions are perfect for sautéing, but this vegetable is also an effective green cleaner, deodorizer, and mosquito repellent. Remove rust on your metal cutlery and give it a new shine by scrubbing onion slices or a paste made of water and crushed onions. It can also be used to clean gunky pots or shine grills. If you just painted a room, you can place a bowl of water and sliced onions in the newly painted room, and it will absorb the paint smells. Watch our other cleaning videos and find out how you can use eggshells for cleaning. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you're always updated whenever we upload new videos. Check the descriptions below for a list of our favorite products that we highly recommend.